Are you planning a home improvement project? Sadly, we've all heard horror stories about crooked contractors who leave a client's home in shambles or they run away with their money. Fortunately, there are steps you can take to minimize the risks and maximize the success of your project. And today I'm going to be sharing at least some of the 7 mistakes to avoid when hiring a contractor. The most common mistake I see many of my clients make is failing to get the necessary permits. A lot of unlicensed contractors skip the permitting process, and this can lead to major issues when somebody goes to purchase your home and do an inspection later down the road. But that's not the only mistake you should avoid when hiring a contractor. Other common missteps are skipping the research phase, choosing based solely on price, neglecting to confirm credentials and their insurance, proceeding without a written agreement, maybe paying too much up front, and ignoring red flags after the project is started. So if you're planning a home improvement project, we can help. First, check out my blog post. There's a link in the caption. Then reach out for a list of recommended contractors. I'm also happy to provide feedback on your project and in how it might impact your home's value and resale potential. I appreciate you. Thank you very much for letting me help.